Friends, today we would be learning about the remedy arnica. So arnica, what part is used is the flowers are used, okay? And then in case of arnica, it is used for bruises, for hematomas, for muscle soreness, then contusions, okay? The sore, lame, bruised feeling, and worse by touch, fear of being approached, oversensitiveness to pain, fear of being touched. So these are marked in arnica. So when arnica is given, it stimulates the healing process and speed up the bruise reabsorption. Okay, so it diminishes the pain and the swelling. And one tip for arnica is head is hot and the body feels cold to touch. So that is the marked thing about arnica. So when you are prescribing, just touch the head will be hot and the nose will be cold, the extremities will be cold, the body will be cold to touch. Okay, so this is the point we have to mark while prescribing arnica. Fear of being टच्ड. डॉक्टर वो हादसे के बारे में मुझे कुछ मत पूछना, मुझे उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं बोलना है. दैट इज़ द फियर ऑफ बीइंग अप्रोच. अगेन दैट सेम थिंग टू रिकलेक्ट, okay, because it is in fear of audience as well, right? So again that same thing to recollect, and then that again rewinding of that event that arnica doesn't want. Okay, and fear of being approached, fear of being touched is marked. So this is the main tips in regards to arnica. Yes, of course detailed study is required, but this is the tips so that while prescribing we can go through. So wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Do like, comment and subscribe for more upcoming videos.